All right, here we go. We're in the Combi Life workshop today, fitting the Safari Snorkel to the Triton. Let's go. Templates in position. Now to mark the holes and pilot drill. All right, now they've all been marked and center punched. Wheel off and remove the inner guard, which allows us access to the air intake and to bolt this on. Next up, we're going to remove the airbox assembly. Just disconnected the MAF sensor off there, and we've got two 10mm bolts, one here and one down there. Loosen the hose clamp here, and then we should be able to remove it all. With the airbox removed, we're going to take out the original air intake that went through the guard. I'm going to replace that with this adapter piece, and that will allow the silicone hose that joins to the snorkel to be attached. This is held in with a couple of 5mm rivets, and we're going to put a bead of black 221 on the inside there as well, just to give it a good seal. Pilot holes all drilled. Next is the big one. Now we've got 102mm hole saw here. We need 120, so we're just going to see what we can do afterwards. Maybe use the nibbler. Slow speed with this saw, and a little bit of cutting oil. All right, next up we're going to install these 4 studs into these holes using a little bit of Loctite. Holes now drilled. We can position the snorkel to get our upper mounting bracket position. Snorkel in. We can now position this bracket into the right spot, mark it, then remove it and drill the holes. Now that all the drilling is complete, we've added Sika primer to all the exposed metal to stop rust. Fit bracket using fittings provided. Fit back the airbox, poke the joiner hose through the hole, attach that to the airbox, MAF sensor connected, and original hose clip back on too. Now we fit the stainless washers and nuts to these studs coming through the body. Make sure that your hose is in the snorkel. Sweet. Once the snorkel's fitted and tight, fit the head, do the bolt up. And that's it. Install complete. Put the guard back in, road tested. Looks awesome. Sounds even better.